ya llegué.
Ok, cariño. ¿Tienen una fiesta?
Que empiece la fiesta con Vino Genes.
Herzog Wine, Oxnard, California.
"70% of women experience unwelcome contact in the evening. Be prepared."
Imagine if your favorite morning news team
Order up.
Coming through.
had chosen a different line of work.
Try the oatmeal. Your heart will thank you for it. Sounds good.
Can I get these sunny side up?
Sure. They always want the sunny side. Playing in Coney Island, I can tell you how to get this. Great. Yeah, you don't want to miss them. Here you go.
You should go to the park. There's a kids festival there today.
Thanks, Chris.
Take the Midtown Tunnel, it'll be faster.
Can't start my day without you guys.
That's why we're here.
Today in New York, serving up great mornings. Weekdays 5 to 7 a.m.
On Lifetime, what makes up the perfect wedding? A whole day of weddings. I Do Sunday. You'll meet the bride,
I look like a dessert topping.
the groom,
Gonna get married.
their friends,
Can we ever love a man like we love each other?
and the loving family.
I don't feel like I'm losing a daughter. I feel like I'm gaining a sucker. Son.